BigCRM, the latest Amazon help desk with email automation, is now available. In this video guide, we'll demonstrate how you can upgrade your Feedback Central to BigCRM on your BQool account. First, go to My Subscription on your account and select a Feedback Central plan you wish to upgrade by clicking the Upgrade button. A Switch Plan alert will pop up. Read this message carefully and then click Got it. Please note that once you upgrade to BigCRM, your Feedback Central and Review Central subscription will subsequently be cancelled. A BigCRM subscription page will be shown. You can choose which subscription best suits your need and add it to your cart. Review Manager on BigCRM is free for every subscription. You can track the product reviews of 5 asins with no extra cost. Any remaining emails left on your Feedback Central plan will become BQool account credits that can be applied to your BigCRM subscription. BigCRM now has a limit on the number of users allowed on an account, depending on which subscription you have. If your plan has exceeded the total number of users allowed, you can either choose a subscription that provides a higher number of users allowed or remove excess users by clicking Manage Users button. This concludes our video on how to upgrade Feedback Central to BigCRM. If you require assistance in upgrading to BigCRM, please contact BigQool support on our live chat. Alternatively, you could email us at support@bigqool.com for further assistance.